Hello friend, I hope your preparation is going well and my video is helping you. In this tutorial I am going to solve a problem which is from thermodynamics. So let's try to understand what is given in the question and what you have to find. In the given question, a mass of gas is compressed in a quasi-static process from initial pressure of 80 kilopascal and initial volume 0.1 meter cube to final pressure 0.4 megapascal to B2, that is final volume is 0.03 meter cube. Here quasi-static process means a process which occurs very slowly, that is at each state thermodynamics equilibrium takes place is called quasi-static process. And assuming that pressure and volume are related by PV to the power n is equal to constant, and we know when PV to the power n is constant, that process is called polytropic process. So we have to find the polytropic work done by the gas system. So whenever we see this type of problem, just try to write the formula of work done and search all the data I have given in the question or not. Here for the polytropic process, we know the formula of work done is P1 into V1 minus P2 into V2 divided by n minus 1. Here P1 and V1, P2, V2 is given in the question and n is unknown. So to know the value of work, we just need to calculate the value of n. So let's go for the solution. And here first I will collect the given data, and given data is initial pressure P1 and volume V1, final pressure 0.4 megapascal. So in kilopascal it will be 400 kilopascal. Final volume is 0.03 and P into V to the power n is equal to constant I have given in the question. So to find the value of n, here I have equated P1 into V1 to the power n is equal to P2 into V2 to the power n, and after taking log on both sides it become ln into P1 plus n into ln V1. Similarly ln P2 plus n into ln V2. Now I have kept the term with n at one side and other at another side, so it become n into ln V1 minus ln V2 is equal to ln P2 minus P1, and it can be also written like n into ln V1 divided by V2 is equal to ln P2 divided by P1. So n is equal to ln P2 divided by P1 divided by ln V1 divided by V2, and after putting the all known value we are getting the value of n, which is 1.34. Now we know the work done in case of polytropic process is P1 into V1 minus P2 into V2 divided by n minus 1, and the all value is known, so just we put the all known value here, and after calculating this equation we are getting the value of work done by the gas system, which is equal to minus 11.76 kilojoule. So friend, I hope you have understand this tutorial, and if you have any doubt feel free to ask in comment section. We try to solve as quick as possible. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a good day.